okay, like I look good. Okay. Okay. Yes. Hold on. Bring my purse in there, but I have this little case fake black pouch, so it'll be cute. Nobody playing on your phone. Babe, I'm ready. Do you think I look pretty? Yeah, I look like casual pretty, like for a comedy show pretty, but not the club. Yeah. That's what I like to hear. And you know what else I'd like to see? I'm in a different room, y'all, and the lighting, my makeup is still eating. So, bitch, talk to somebody else, bitch. Hey, Bookies. Okay, somebody said juice instead of root beer. We got the energy! Happy Friday, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the purse I will try to bring, but I don't know if they will let me. Y'all can tell me if you think they're gonna let me bring this purse into a store. Ashley, get your hoe ass out of here. Stop fucking coming in my chat being a hoe. I don't care if I get banned for talking shit to you because I'm about to get off anyways, bitch. Stop being a whore. Turn up! Yeah! Turn up! Yeah. Thank you, Hillary. Thank you, bitch. Because bitches is whores. No, bitches is whores, for real. I don't care. I got a warning for harassment, y'all. But it's okay, because I'm about to get up off of here anyways. I don't think I need to drink Casamigos no more. Come up here. Come on. Not on me. Here. See? He's just a baby. No more Costa Fricos. No, dead ass. Hold on. Throw my purse in the car. Nah, take 2 more shots. That's what we about to do. Y'all, okay, I told y'all we was going around to a few, what are they called? Yard sales, right? And look what I found. Bitch, sit up. Like, what are you doing? Can y'all hear me? Y'all were sitting in a pile of dirt. Look what I found. Y'all know I bought an Osmo? I had fucking found an Osmo tripod for 50 cents. Look. Look! I got an Osmo tripod. I got an Osmo tripod. Like, I've been looking for a stand for this, so I'm just so happy that I found it for so cheap. I don't know how to, oh, there it goes. Holler. Just playing in my phone, dog. Bro, it's y'all. Y'all are playing in my phone. Why you hold it like that? Girl, you OD right now. It's the Casamigos, bro. It's not me. Gaden's not here. You are now speaking to K-Dog. Why you hold it like that? Like what? The same way you be in the shower? I'm not something down there swinging. I'll be knocking shit off the shower walls. Boom. I don't give a fuck. I know y'all be playing. Hey, Popular. Hillary, you know the conversations we used to have. Yo, you funny. No. If I had a slanger, what'd you say? Like, look, all I'm saying is, you the comedian. Yes. So maybe I should get on stage. The comedian shows that we be going to, they be having stand-up comedy, y'all. I should apply. Yes. Hold on. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just carry these in. I think I'm gonna carry this, then my wallet, And then I'm gonna carry this. I wish I had a way to connect them. This is my makeup though. My lippies. You could actually cook with stand-up. Well, if they laugh too hard, I want to think they're laughing at me and not with me. And then they're gonna see a breakdown. So I feel like if I did stand-up comedy, it would be more dark humor. Like, you know, like let's talk about yeah, y'all know. Don't hype her head up, guys. Keys, you literally said I'm the comedian. I don't know what you're talking about. Baby, it's 6:01. No, my girl funny. Thank you, Keys. You heard her. You heard her. And don't play with her. She will press you. Hey, Brad. Hey, Dre. How old are you? I'm 29. 29 and looking fine. 29 and looking fine. Yeah? No, I'm not. I'm joking. I'm 22. My birthday is on June 7th, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing. I just know I'm going to be with your daddy. No, I'm joking. I don't know what I'm doing. I wanted to go to Disney World so bad. But I just feel like that's out of the cards right now. We have too many animals. And just like, I just don't think I want to do that. But I do think I want to go to the casino. I never been before, y'all. Hey, Lainey. Hey, Allie. Hey, Charles. I never been before, y'all. Thank you for the heart means. What if I just like... Do y'all remember? Yes, I got $10. What you need it for, though? What you need it for? Do y'all remember in high school, or maybe it was middle school, whenever we used to, the girls used to walk around with the little fluff balls? That shit was so tacky. Food, please. Okay, private message me. I'll know you're for real. The pom-pom, yes, like the little fluffy balls. Put them on my pants. I put that shit on my purse. I would put that shit in my hair if I needed to. I loved that shit, look. And that's where the addiction, now that we're older, the Labubu's on the little clips, that's where it's coming from, because we already had this. Y'all just redoing it. We already been through this. Like, we already did the little pom-poms on the hooks. Y'all just turned it into a fucking monster. Girl, yes. I saw you post saying that y'all was going out tomorrow night, and if you going anywhere other than that car meetup, you need to be safe. You grew up around the hood, no shame. I grew up around, I don't know. I don't really know what the hood is. I can tell. I'm a product of my environment. But I'm not gonna say I grew up in the hood. I don't know what that is. There's so many different versions of the hood. You tell somebody you're from the hood, and then you tell them where you're from, and they be like, that ain't the hood. This, I'm done with you. You bit me. I'm done. You bit me. You can go, but I'm done. Calm down. Here. Take it. My whole family's black. Besides my mom. Grizzly is... Come here. Come here. They told us that he wasn't Akita. He's huge. He's definitely mixed. He has the Akita in him, but we did DNA tests. He has more shepherd. Like, he just got more shit mixed in him. Thank you for the popular. Hillary, if you're still in here, if you're not in here, this is just gonna, oh, he just went upstairs to get put in bed. If you're not in here, this would have been a odd story to tell. Huh?